Hello, everyone. My name is Professor Sheyi Fabi. Today, I will take you through some lecture series on introduction of GIS to forestry, or we call it GIS in forestry applications. Uh, we'll start with what is GIS. GIS is the acronym for Geographic Information System. Geographic stand for location, that is spatial in nature. Information stand for the data set or the attributes, and system stand for the computer approach to describe, to analyze locations. There are main categories of GIS data. We have spatial data and the non-spatial data. These are the two main types or categories of GIS data. Spatial data refers to location in map formats, which include settlements, roads, information about the oil wells, information about the forest reserves, information about the different attributes that are spatial in location. Actually, every data set are spatial in nature. It only depends on if we are not interested in the spatial component of the location of the data. The other types of data that GIS uses is non-spatial data, or sometimes they call it as spatial data, or you call it attribute data. These are the attributes that describe or provide additional information about the spatial data. They are linked together. There's a linkage between spatial data and the attribute data. That is, the spatial data are maps, are represented in maps, locations, while the attribute data describe further the information provide more information about the spatial data. Therefore, geographic information systems will be described as a computer-based method for gathering, for storing, for assessing, modifying, analyzing, and presenting spatially linked data to aid decision making. When you have a system that is used to gather, to store, to assess, to modify, to analyze, and present spatially linked data in a decision-making context. Also, we can call it GIS combine hardware, software, and data to capture, to manage, to analyze, to display any type of geographically referenced data. Therefore, St. GIS allows us to explore and comprehend questions, interpret and visualize data in a varieties of ways, revealing relationships, patterns, and trends through maps, pictures, globes, report, charts, and all sorts of it. So we have a lot of GIS benefits to forestry. It helps us to engage in better decision making about forest management. When it comes to making more informed decisions regarding location, GIS is preferred tools. Also, it improves communication because when we include maps in in communicating information, then visualization help to describe, to understand, for the audience to understand the information we are trying to keep. Then it also helps in better recording and inventory. So GIS can be used to keep records of forestry and also when we are doing forest inventory. So we see GIS can help us to know where things are, map quantities, map densities, find what is inside, find what is nearby, and find what is changing.